What are you doing there, Bluey? Get out of my camera frame. Hey, Bluey. Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Play, Live, Repeat, and I am going to show you the Bluey plush by Moose Toys. Bluey is so gigantic that I can't even get her in my frame. I don't have a lot of workspace, so I'm going to show you what she looks like. This is Bluey from head to toe. She is a jumbo plush. She's so stinking cute. Moose Toys gave us the jumbo and the mini plush at New York Toy Fair, so thank you so much to Moose. These plushies are super duper cute. They have all of the characteristics of our favorite healer pup, Bluey from the show Bluey. If you're outside of Australia, you'll be able to watch it on Disney Junior. And if you're in Australia, I'm sure you're already a big fan and you already know about these plushies. There's also a Bingo plushie that came out in Australia in November of 2019. Unfortunately, we do not have Bingo. I do not think they're going to come out with Bingo. I did not see Bingo at New York Toy Fair, a jumbo version of her. I know they have a mini version. So let's take a look at the construction. Overall, excellent construction. This Bluey doll has been thrown around, cuddled so much since New York Toy Fair, and she has not had one pull, one hole, nothing. She is in perfect condition, just as the same day that we got her. So honestly, she is a great bang for your buck. When they do come out this summer, I highly recommend the large jumbo Bluey plush. Also, Bluey plush is going to be a jumbo version. There's going to be one that actually sings the theme song from Bluey. So this one obviously I don't have, but yes, that's what I was told by Moose. I did not get any footage of it. If you want to see the full collection of the Bluey toys line by Moose, please check out my Toy Fair 2020 playlist, or you could just click the link at the top of the screen if you're watching on your computer, and you'll be able to see all of my Moose Toys coverage. There's so many great toys coming out by Moose, and you're not going to want to miss it. I actually already showed this in a different video, but I'll show you. There's all these details that are present on these amazing plushies. They did a great job, Moose. I'm so glad that they're the master toy maker for the show, because they are also based in Australia, just like Bluey, because Bluey's from Brisbane, Australia, and Moose Toys is also from Australia, so it's a perfect matchup. And there's actually a scene in the episode The Weekend that Bluey is showing her parents this doll, and it looks like a Shoppy doll to me. I mean, you might not agree with me. I just think it's so funny that Moose is the toy maker and we have like this like Shoppy style doll. I know they don't have the same color hair. Okay, fine. Maybe I'm reaching. All right, let's continue. I had to edit this in because I forgot the name of the episode. It's called The Weekend. So let me know what you think of her in the comments below. I am also going to be showing you a book that I just got from Amazon. And if you want to see it actually be done, just check me out on Instagram at play.live.repeat. I'll show you how my son puts everything together. I'm not going to spoil this for him. I can only buy one, so I really want him to enjoy it. It comes with a bunch of stickers, and the stickers actually tell you which page you should use them on. So there's a lot of organized activities on here. It's really super cute. It has all of the elements of the show. So if you are on Amazon, check it out. There are some books that are available. This one was kind of costly, so I would suggest waiting until it comes out. There's only a few left anyway, so I'm not sure if there's going to be any left by the time you watch this video. Hopefully you're still watching. And there's actually a pre-order for Fruit Bat I saw on that's going to be coming out later this year. I didn't pre-order it yet, though. I was going to wait and see what exactly was coming out. Fruit Bat, I love that episode. I just hope they come out with more books. So Bluey will be coming out with season 2 in America and worldwide this summer, I believe. They've already come out with season 2 last year in Australia. So everybody knows what's going on. I'm sure we could watch those episodes on YouTube maybe. Oh my gosh, the takeaway disaster. So you could bring the world of Bluey to life with all of the stickers, and you could reenact all of the scenes from the show. So look at that. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh, somebody's awake. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to cut this short. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Bluey Time to Play sticker activity book, and it is by Puffin Books. Super duper cute. Don't forget to check out Bluey on Disney Junior if you're outside of Australia. ABC Kids if you are in Australia. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to Moose Toys for gifting us Bluey. We were so happy to take her home from New York Toy Fair. We felt so special. Thanks for watching, and have a Bluey-tastic day.
He's up and about.